Okay, Garmin. Save video. People wonder why motorcyclists die. I'm already going 5 over, homie. And he's not wearing a helmet either. Dumbass. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Now, I'm someone that's big on being safe on the road. I only go 5 over as necessary. That's as fast as I'll go over the speed limit. I drive appropriately for road conditions, all that good stuff. I'm constantly scanning my area, you know, the usual stuff that you should be doing as a competent driver. And likewise, although I am not on a big Harley motorcycle or anything like that, I also advocate highly for people to be extra aware of motorcyclists on the road. Because they're not in a big metal containment area, you know, it's just them and the road, right? So if you hit them, they're going to get way more injured and far more likely to die should they be in an accident. So I'm really big on saying, hey, look extra, look twice, both ways, make sure there's not a motorcycle in your area, you know, that isn't paying attention, or just for the sake of safety, because you don't want to get into a crash regardless. So, with that being said, you know, I share the things that say motorcycle awareness, it's the beginning of the summer months, blah, 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 you know, things like that, because the motorcyclists come out, right? You know, I'm really big on that, so let's get that clear and squared away right now. But with that said, I also don't want these motorcyclists and people in general to play the blame game, or more than that, the motorcyclists playing the victim card game, because they're just as responsible for their own safety and whatnot as anyone else is. And I don't know, maybe it's just northern Michigan region, because God, northern Michigan, Traverse City in particular, terrible. But we see lots of behavior that would indicate that they don't care about their own lives, so why should we? You know, kind of mentality. So it's just like, okay, if you're going to be on a motorcycle, you should be extra careful, if not just as safe at minimum as you would be in a vehicle, right? But if I'm going to be on 2 wheels, regardless if it's a moped, motorcycle, or bicycle even, I'm going to be extra safe, extra aware. But I'm just going to show you this real quick.
Okay, Garmin, save video. This is exactly why motorcyclists get in so many crashes. It's 45 and now I'm going 55 and he's still way ahead of me. And he's sped up unnecessarily just to get ahead. Okay, Garmin, save video. Now mind you, he did all that unnecessary speeding, putting his life and others at risk, but more so his at risk, just to end up at the same fucking red light. Again.
See,
literally.
This behavior is what I don't understand. It's like, you want people to be all, you know, aware of you and to be extra precautious because you're on two wheels and you're not in a metal cage and blah blah blah. But yet, so many motorcyclists, so many people on two wheels are just going to be like what you just saw in that, clip. Like, I don't understand it. You can't play the victim card if you're going to be your biggest, worst enemy. Like, you are your own worst enemy, literally. If you're gonna go on two wheels, especially at high speeds, doing shit like that, much less not wearing a helmet or any other safety gear, then you are not only an idiot, but your own worst enemy. And if you don't care about your own life, then why should I care about your life either, The only reason that I think a lot of people try their best to look out for motorcyclists is because I don't believe that the majority drive like that. But in particular in Traverse City, the majority do, unfortunately. But I have noticed throughout my travels that not everyone, not the majority drive like that. And so that's why I still strictly adhere to the awareness of, hey, look out for motorcyclists, be extra aware, blah, blah, blah. But seriously, if you're going to be on two wheels and drive like that, don't go and complain about how you're a victim and how this and that and how four-wheel drivers are just so terrible and don't care about you. It's like you don't care about yourself. So anyways, I just been wanting to make a video about this for a while because it's really been one of those things where it's just like, pick your side. You can't, have both here. You can't be the victim while also driving without any care for yourself or anyone else. So either you drive safe and you advocate, or you drive like a dumbass on two wheels and shut the fuck up about how others aren't paying attention to you or whatever the fuck you're complaining about. Because it's your own damn fault. If you don't care about yourself, we shouldn't have to care about you either. Simple Simon as that. Until next time.